Have you ever wondered what it truly took for humans to walk on the moon? The answer will leave you speechless. In 1961, President Kennedy made a bold declaration that America would send a man to the moon before the decade ended. NASA launched the Apollo program, assembling the greatest team of scientists, engineers, and astronauts ever gathered in history. Thousands of dedicated workers spent years designing the powerful Saturn V rocket, the tallest ever built by human hands. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 launched from Kennedy Space Center with 3 brave astronauts aboard, beginning their historic journey. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins traveled over 200,000 miles through the vast emptiness of outer space. After 4 days of travel, the lunar module separated and began its careful descent toward the moon's cratered surface below. Armstrong carefully guided the module manually, avoiding a dangerous boulder field, landing safely with only seconds of fuel remaining. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the very first human being to ever set foot on the moon. His famous words echoed across the world as millions of people watched in absolute awe from their television screens at home. Armstrong and Aldrin planted a flag, collected moon rocks, and conducted important scientific experiments on the lunar surface together. Meanwhile, Michael Collins orbited the moon alone inside the command module, waiting patiently for his crewmates to return safely. After spending over 21 hours on the moon, Armstrong and Aldrin successfully launched back to reunite with Collins above. The 3 astronauts then began their long journey back home, crossing the enormous distance between the moon and Earth. On July 24th, the Apollo 11 capsule splashed down safely into the Pacific Ocean, completing the most historic mission ever. The astronauts were welcomed home as heroes, celebrated by millions of joyful people across every corner of the entire world. The moon landing proved that with determination, teamwork, and courage, humanity can achieve what once seemed completely and utterly impossible. The moon still shines above us tonight, a reminder of what we can accomplish when we dare to dream big.